Fluoroacetone is an organofluorine compound with the chemical formula C3H5FO. In contrast to trifluoroacetone, the compound has one fluorine atom. Under normal conditions, the substance is a colorless to light yellow liquid. Fluoroacetone is also a highly toxic and flammable compound. Fumes of fluoroacetone can form an explosive mixture with air. Synthesis. Fluoroacetone can be obtained by a reaction of triethylamine trihydrofluoride with bromoacetone. Applications. Fluoroacetone is used as a catalyst to study the kinetics of the keton-catalyzed decomposition of peroxymonosulfuric acid, kerose acid. It is also a precursor material for the production of higher fluoroketones. Fluoroacetone has not been used as an lacrimatory substance in contrast to other halogenated acetone derivatives, such as bromoacetone or chlorocetone. See also: bromoacetone, chlorocetone, iodocetone, thiocetone. References.